Roar into the future with the Lamborghini Urus, where ferocious power meets cutting-edge luxury, creating an SUV that devours the road and turns every head. Welcome to TurboTribeWow. Today, we have an exceptional vehicle in the spotlight, the Lamborghini Urus, a marvel of design, performance, and luxury. Buckle up as we look at what makes the Urus a standout in the luxury SUV segment. The Lamborghini Urus is a true head-turner. Its aggressive and aerodynamic design embodies the essence of a supercar while maintaining the practicality of an SUV. The sharp lines, bold front grille, and sleek LED headlights command it on the road. The Urus features 21-inch alloy wheels as standard, with options going up to 23 inches, enhancing its athletic stance. The coupe-like silhouette and muscular rear haunches emphasize its sporty nature. Another design highlight is the extensive use of carbon fiber, which not only adds to the aesthetic appeal but also contributes to weight reduction, improving overall performance. Now, let's talk about performance. Under the hood, the Lamborghini Urus houses a 4.0-liter V8 twin-turbo engine. This powerhouse generates an impressive 641 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. This allows the Urus to sprint from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.6 seconds, with a top speed of 305 km/h, making it one of the fastest SUVs in the world. The engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and features all-wheel drive for enhanced stability and control. The adaptive air suspension and active roll stabilization system ensure a smooth ride on the highway or off-road. Step inside, and a luxurious and futuristic cabin greets you. The interior blends high-quality materials, including leather, alcantara, aluminum, and carbon fiber. The seats are designed for maximum comfort and support, featuring heating, ventilation, and massage functions. The Urus also offers ample legroom and headroom for both front and rear passengers. The dashboard is dominated by Lamborghini's signature Y-themed design, and the dual touchscreen setup provides access to the infotainment system, climate controls, and vehicle settings. The Lamborghini Urus is packed with advanced technology. The infotainment system includes navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a premium sound system by Bang & Olufsen. The digital driver display provides customizable information, including performance metrics, navigation, and media controls. The heads-up display ensures you keep your eyes on the road. Safety features are equally impressive, with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and a 360-degree camera system. Despite its supercar DNA, the Urus is practical for everyday use. The rear seats can be folded to increase cargo space, making it versatile enough for family trips or a weekend getaway. The SUV also features multiple driving modes, including Strada, Sport, Corsa, and off-road modes like Terra and Sabia, allowing you to adapt to different driving conditions with ease. The Lamborghini Urus is a remarkable blend of luxury, performance, and practicality. It's an SUV that doesn't compromise on the exhilarating experience Lamborghini is known for while providing the versatility needed for everyday life. Thank you for joining.